Hello traders, this is Cousin Benny coming to you from theclosingprint.com on March the 12th, 2017. In this edition of your weekend video newsletter, we'll cover the indices which close red with the exception of the NDX 100. There are a few exceptions there with the FANG stocks. Tick and TickQ are showing institutional sentiment has been turning lately with a possible distribution pattern at recent highs. And we have TickQ for the NASDAQ producing a bear cross on Thursday. That's significant. Overall, it looks like we are at a point where we need to take some caution moving forward, and we'll cover that in this weekend's video. Okay, so let's look at the spiders for a moment. We see a number of things going on. RSI moved lower on the 6-day pullback on Thursday. We came down and nearly touched the 20 EMA. We saw buyers or short covering or a combination of both, and price action moved higher into Friday. We saw some more buyers here. However, we produced a black candle, so we know that that means we pushed to the highs and then closed lower inside of this candle or daily range. We are above volume by price, significant little node there, and we have stochastic moving lower with a MACD cross on the 1939.9 duration. Now, if you follow Gerald Appel, who created the MACD momentum indicator, he used this duration as his sell signal. It's a longer duration signal, but it's very effective. When this one finally fires, it's time to take some caution and a little prudence in any trades you take in the short term. Now, tick cumulative, we have been pointing out for many weeks now that we were looking for a change in direction. We're finally starting to get that now. And as we cruised into the close on Friday, this continued to fall. That leads us to believe that institutions were selling into this rally until proven otherwise. Okay, so let's review sectors. We know that sectors are our catalysts. They're either going to produce a headwind or a tailwind. And we know that the industry groups that we're following in this heat map, if we're bullish, we're looking for more changes to the green side. We don't see that. We're actually seeing more changes to the red side. This week, 310, going back to December on the left. These are your sector groups, and areas you should focus on are the ones that are more green if you're long and red if you're thinking short. S&P indexes, international indices, pointed out earlier, we had Spain, France, Italy, and Ireland moving higher, and areas you might want to focus on. You can see Spain right here, 7.85%, a big change over the last 3 weeks. And finally, commodities showing red, with the exception of natural gas. Focus on UNG if that's what you're interested in. This is Cousin Benny coming to you from theclosingprint.com. I wanted to point out that I've added one more tab here. So you can access everything from this menu now. Live stream, the trading room, the book if you want to read that, my account. If you check on that, all of your items in your account show up. This is where the videos are, the trading tip, content, library, and more will be added there. Home to get back to the beginning. Live stream, of course. The game plan where we store the watch list every week. You can go all the way back to the beginning. Last year, where we talked about NVIDIA at 32.25 as an entry. Among other things, just check out some of the older watch lists and see what our performance is telling you. Benny's charts, and of course the chat room and the blog links. Okay, so everything is here in one location, so everything is easy to find. Okay, so I'll see you soon. The watch list will be out later this evening, and of course charts prior to the opening bell. Join us for the pre-market show around 9 a.m. and we'll talk more about what we're thinking for the day ahead. Take care.